Hello dear fans. How to determine the hardness of steel. One of the most important indicators of any metal is hardness, which characterizes its ability to resist the penetration of another body with greater hardness into it. Steel is no exception. Instructions. Step 1. The strength of steel is closely related to its characteristics such as wear resistance, strength, etc. There are many ways to determine the hardness of metals. One of them is the Brinell method, when a steel ball is pressed into the surface of the metal, steel, using a special press, Brinell press. At the end of the impact of the ball on the metal surface, the diameter of the hole is measured using a special magnifier. Based on the data in the tables attached to the press, the hardness of the steel knot is determined. Step 2. The next method, the Rockwell method, involves pressing a diamond cone into the steel surface with an angle of 1200 at the apex. The indentation is carried out first with a preload of 10 kilograms, and then with a full load from 60 to 150 kilograms. For this, a special press is also used. Step 3. When using this method, some requirements must be met. So, on the investigated surface, there should be no scale, cracks, and potholes. The impact on the surface is strictly perpendicular. To determine the strength value, special tables are also used. There is a clear relationship: the harder the steel, the lower the penetration depth into it during indentation and, therefore, the higher the hardness value. Step 4. The Vickers method is similar to the Rockwell method, in which a four-sided diamond pyramid with an apex angle of 1360 is used for indentation. Here, at the end of the load, the diagonal of the indentation is measured. For steels, the exposure time is 10 to 15 seconds. In this case, the force should be applied strictly perpendicular to the surface with a smooth increase. The surface of the prototype can have a roughness of no more than 0.16 microns, and the distance between the center of the indentation and the edge of the specimen or adjacent indentation is not less than 2.5 times the length of the diagonal of the indent. Step 5. The hardness of steel is also determined by the impact impression method using a carbide conical indenter or a steel ball. Indirect methods include the shore hardness measurement method. It uses a diamond-tipped firing pin of a certain mass that falls vertically from a certain height onto the test surface. The rebound height of the striker is a characteristic of hardness, which is measured in arbitrary units. Thanks for watching.